Ryan, stop talking!
I'm not talking!
You want to keep talking? Go talk to the principal.
Well, Greg was also talking. Why isn't he in trouble?
I'm talking to you, numbnuts! Jonathan, wake up!
Nicholas, stop eating! Timmy, stop sniffing glue!
Oh, Christopher, why aren't you taking any notes from the work on the board?
Can you repeat the part of this stuff where you said all about the things?
Lightning never strikes twice the same. Pay attention. Excuse me, sit down! The bell does not dismiss you, I dismiss you. The bell is not the boss, I'm the boss. But sir, the whole reason for the bell at this time is to dismiss us.
Okay, Dwight, let me explain something to you. I set the rules and you follow them blindly, okay? And if you have a problem with that, then you can talk to our complaint department. It's a trash